Let us solve a question asked in NEET 2025 based on acceleration. Fine. Here in this question, there is no specification given whether the question is asking average acceleration or instantaneous acceleration. Let us read the question and understand. Okay. In some appropriate units, time t and position x, relation of a moving particle is given by t equal x square plus x. Find the acceleration they have told. So let us first write down the equation. T is equal to x square plus x. As I say in my every video, for solving any numerical, we have to first remember the theory, which here is the formula. For finding out acceleration which they have asked, I know or we know that we have to differentiate x with respect to time 2 times. Fine. So from here, let us find out dx by dt. Single differentiation first. What is single differentiation? V is equal to dx by dt. Fine. This is the knowledge we know from the theory. Connect it to the numerical now. Let us find out dx by dt first from the given equation. So what is the equation? One side having x terms, one side having t terms. Let us differentiate t with respect to time. So if I differentiate same variable with respect to same variable, my answer is 1, which is equal to differentiation of x square with respect to time. So what is differentiation of x square? 2x dx upon dt. Agreed? Okay, differentiation of x with respect to time plus. What is differentiation of x? Again 1 dx by dt. Fine. Okay, so now I want dx by dt. So I take dx by dt common. And what is left out? 2x plus 1. Let me write 1 here. Okay, in the bracket, so that it is understood as the differentiation of x. Differentiation of any variable is 1 without a power or with a power 1. Fine. No power is written, it means the power is 1. Okay, fine. So this is the equation I get. So dx by dt is equal to 1 upon 2x plus 1, which is equal to 2x plus 1 whole raised to negative 1. So my dx by dt is ready, which is velocity. Now I have to differentiate velocity, or I have to differentiate displacement again with respect to time, second time. So what is my acceleration? D square x by dt square, second differentiation, which is, let me consider 2x plus 1 as single term, okay, as one variable. So what is my answer? Negative 1, which is power. 2x plus 1 is a variable. Negative 1 again the power minus 1. What is the formula? X raised to n, differentiation, nx raised to n minus 1. This also we have learned. Power, then variable, then power minus 1. Fine. Okay. So now this term also has to be differentiated again. So let us differentiate 2x. What is the answer for differentiation of 2x? 2. Differentiation of x is again 1. So I can write dx by dt. What is differentiation of a constant? 0. So leave it. Fine. So now I am ready with what maths I have. Negative 1. 2x plus 1. I'll write it down because this is negative 2. So as a denominator, 2x plus 1 whole raised to 2. Negative 2 up, 2, positive 2 down. Multiplied by 2. What is dx by dt from the equation 1? Agreed? 1 upon 2x plus 1. I can write 2x plus 1 whole raised to minus 1 also. Both are C. So what is my answer for acceleration? I am ready. So A is equal to negative 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. It is negative 2. Denominator 2x plus 1 whole square, 2x plus 1 power is 1. So 2x plus 1 whole raised to 3. Is this option available anywhere? Yes. Here is our option. Negative 2, 2x plus 1 whole raised to 3. This question was asked in NEET 2025. So looking at the question, you must understand which method is to be followed. This we have calculated the instantaneous acceleration because we calculated double differentiation of dx by dt. Fine, time interval is not given to us. So it is instantaneous acceleration. Time interval is not given a big to us. Value is not much from t1 to t2. So we have calculated instantaneous acceleration. So you have to understand the question. Now take a pic of what we have done and remember what we have learned so that we can use it in the numerical. The first thought should be read the question, write what is given, write what you know, and from that start your calculation part. Fine? Take a pic.